Good morning, good morning, good morning. Aloha. Happy Aloha Friday, everyone. We made it through the mess of this week. It's time to get it on this weekend. Party hardy. Live your best life. Do whatever you have to do. We're back up in this thing this weekend with Who Has the Heat with Sneaker Lady 88 and the homie 10.5, along with my sis 313 Retro Queen from the D, PMKICKZ, and MCFLYKOF, and one of the dopest chats around on Who Has the Heat, or Team Who Has the Heat. And y'all always know we building everything we do brick by brick. We just hit a little over 200 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed to that channel, go over there and click that red button, please. That's all I ask. Right? Like I said, I hope everyone doing well. Still out here able to cop your shoes. We got a little bit of break, and then business is about to pick up on these shoes. You got the ketchup and mustard, like I call them, the what does, coming out next week. All these shoes, Jordan 1, the Navy, Japan, I want to get those. Still people on the hunt for the mochas. Be patient. Foot Locker's supposed to get them, and they will be pretty much a good amount of restocks, I promise you. As you can see, the Fire Red Fire had restocked like a gazillion times, and the DMP6 has done that as well. Now, let's jump into this review. Now, this is one of these shoes that came out in the 80s, and I wanted this shoe. My sister was laughing because she's like, yeah, you're right. Dad wasn't trying to spend all this money on those shoes. I got tired of people rubbing it in my face because it just wasn't happening. And back then, they weren't paying a whole bunch of money, right? Back then, minimum wage like $4.25. I'm not showing my age, right? So you're talking about these shoes is roughly 30 plus years in the making, and they wasn't really on the SB line. They were just a Nike line, but they brought this back on the SB line. This colorway hasn't dropped that often. You probably already know what it is when I'm talking about it, because it came in the chlorophyll colorway on the 3. Some people were feeling it, some people were not. Then it started to gain late traction. I had to cop these from StockX, and these came from the Netherlands. So these joints got a lot of frequent flyer miles on it. As you can see, Nike SB skateboard. I won't be skateboarding in these, but you can see PP personal pair, size 10 for men, 11.5 for women. QR code, Fisher colorway, medium gray, black, white, Nike SB Air Trainer 1. And they got the box. You got your stamper ramp, you got your inspection, you got your paper wafer. Cop these from GOAT. GOAT been doing me well. I got the GOAT sticker, and they go through all the verification process on here. But the main event, yes, finally, I feel like The Rock. Finally, the SBs have come back, or so say, have come to Emoneyshoes, right? Looky, here comes Cookie. Yes, and double yes. All right, let's get into it. Underneath, white, you see you got your chlorophyll Nike, you got the gray, so you already know it's gonna get dirty. I'm probably gonna rock these shoes sooner than later. I ain't doing no lace swaps, I don't think anyway, right, on these shoes. As you can see on the toe box, you got suede, not the greatest of suede, but it's suede. You got your perforated holes. You got your strap on the toe box, right? Get the strap, or say on the forefoot. You got the Nike. You got your white laces, and then you got your Nike bag. You see the black laces rolled up all nice in one. I might do that. I'm not sure, but I might go black laces. We'll see. But I might just keep it OG. Look better with the white laces, look like it in my opinion. You got that Nike SB in the chlorophyll with the black, with the stitching with the Air Trainer on that shoe. Yep, you see you got that look at the old school Velcro right there. Then you got more of these suede hits right here. Suede right down on the swoosh. Got some pretty good leather materials right here. Turning around, and guess what? You got that old school Nike Air on the ass. The derriere, the Okole, as we like to call it here on the island. Yes, Okole means butt. Then you got the white sock liner here, so you got to wear some white socks so you don't make sure the shoes don't get all dirty, right? And then you got your cushion right here and stuff like that. Coming around on the media side, you got your perforated holes, all of that good stuff, and you have your suede right here. It is kind of more like a mid-cut shoe. And you got Nike SB in the side, and then you got stuffing paper and your size inside. So I just gotta hold this up. Just gotta. Let's see. So on the lid meter, just because I had to wait so long, high and dry, low and high, whatever you want to call it, I'm gonna give this about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5, just out of nostalgia purposes. Nothing spectacular, but I just think this is a dope shoe. A lot of jokers had it back in the day, and I just couldn't get it. It wasn't happening, but I got it now, and that's all that matters. It don't matter how you start, it's how you finish, right? It could be now or later. So again, 4.8 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about these classics, and we can chop it up. Don't forget to comment, like, share. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.